Hello everyone. So in this video I will explain memoization. So what is memoization? Memoization is a performance optimization technique used to speed programs by storing the result of expensive calculation, calls and returning the cached result when the same input occur again. So the key points of like in memoization it is problem. The problem is that some function like those using recursion calculate the same result multiple times, wasting time. And an example is Fibonacci sequence calculation using recursion. Recalculate the same number over and over. And the solution is the like memoization stores result in a cache like an object on array. So when the function is called again with the same input, it returns the stored result instead of recomputing it. So how it works? So check if the result of for a given input exists in the cache. If yes, return it. If no, compute it, store in the cache and return it. So in that we can say we can yeah. So that is the I explain one example. So like function and then function name factorial and then n memo and then object. If n equal to 0 or n equal to 1, then return 1. And then if memo n console.log returning memo and then n memo n return memo n and then console.log now calculating factorial. So in that like memo n and into factorial n minus 1 memo return memo n and then console.log factorial 5 and factorial 5. So 5 6 is broken into smaller sub problems 5 5 and 5 4. Once 5 2 is calculated, it is stored in memo, so if needed again it is reused. This avoids redundant calculations, making it fast and efficient. Okay, so in that we can say on the first run it calculates and stores each value like factorial 3 and then 6. On later run it returns the cache result immediately, no recalculation. So the benefit of this memoization improves performance, especially for repeated function calls with the same input. So in that we can, in short we can say like memoization remembering result to avoid repeating work and boost performance, especially in recursive or computationally heavy tasks. So I hope you understood memoization. I hope you understood like how we can use memoization. So if you have any doubts, you can comment down. If you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you.